Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn Perimeter and Area Chapter 11 Exercise 11.3 for Class 7. First question, find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. See, these are all radius. We are going to find the circumference of the circle. That means perimeter of the circle or length of the boundary of the circle, whatever. See, circumference of the circle. What is the formula? Formula is 2 pi r. So just substitute value of r in the given formula. That's all. This is equal to 2 into, they have given pi equal to 22 by 7. Other value is also there, right? 3.14. But here they suggested us to use this value. So 22 by 7 into given radius is 14 centimeter. See, this is given radius. This is equal to, if we cancel this, answer is 88. If you multiply 88 centimeter, that's all. B subdivision, 28 mm is our radius. See, units are very important. If it is centimeter, answer will be in centimeter. If it is mm, means answer should come in mm. So now, circumference 2 into 2 pi r is the formula. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 28 mm, which is equal to, this is 176 millimeter is the circumference of the circle. C subdivision, this is our r now. So circumference is 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into 21 centimeter. If we cancel this, if you multiply, this gives us 132 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. Circumference means this length, boundary length. This is always 2 pi r. If you start measuring from here and measure all the way from here to here, it is the length of the circle. That means perimeter of the circle, otherwise circumference of the circle. That's all. Find the area of the following circles given that radius is equal to 14 mm. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Area of the circle formula is pi r square. So r is given. This is our r, which is equal to pi is 22 by 7 into r square is 14 mm the whole square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. It is a square thing, right? Mm square. If we cancel like this, this will be 616 mm square. In B subdivision, they have given diameter is equal to 49 meters. They didn't give radius here, diameter. So diameter is equal to 2 radius, right? Diameter is equal to 2 times of its radius. So this is equal to 49 means r is equal to 49 divided by 2. This is our radius. Now area. Area is equal to pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 into r is 49 by 2 the whole square. 22 by 7 into 49 by 2. 49, so this is meter square. It is in meter. It is also in meter. Meter square. If we cancel like this, also we can 1886.5 meter square. Now radius is equal to 5 centimeter. So area. Area is equal to pi is 22 by 7 into 5 centimeter the whole square. So 22 by 7 into 25 centimeter square. This is equal to 550 divided by 7. You can give it as a fraction or you can give it as a decimal value, whatever. Third question, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. See, they have given circumference of the circular sheet. So what is the formula of circumference of the circle? 2 pi r equal to 154 meter. From this, we can easily find radius. So r is equal to 154 by 2 pi meter. This is 154 by 2 into 22 by 7 meter, which is 154 by 2 into 22 will be here. This 7 will go as a numerator, or 7 by 22. See, this is the reciprocal. 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22, right? So now this becomes, see here, 7 times, again 7 times. So using 11 we can cancel this. This is 7 times, this is 2 times. Meter. Always keep it in mind, we should put meter. So this is 49 by 2 meter, or 24.5 meter. This is our radius now. Area of the sheet. See, we have found this length. Now we are going to find the inner surface covered by this length or circumference. So area of the sheet is pi r square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 24.5 meter the whole square. If you work out this, this is 1886.5 meter square. Fourth question, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. See, diameter is 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. See, this is the circular garden. Diameter is 21 meter. So half of the diameter is radius, right? So D is equal to 2R. So R is equal to D divided by 2. That means half of the diameter. So what is the diameter? 21 by 2 meter. This is our radius now. He is going to fence his garden. Fence means only he is going to protect his garden using rope. Also he is doing 2 rounds. See, he is going to fence means he is going to do his job only around the circular garden, not inside. Okay. So around means only this boundary. So we need to know the length of the boundary. Length of the boundary is nothing but circumference of the circular garden. What is the formula? It is 2 pi r. This is equal to 2 into, already given, it is 22 by 7, pi value is, into 21 divided by 2. If you cancel using 7, it is 3 and it will go, it is meter. So circumference is 66 meter. But length of the rope for making 2 rounds of fence. So he is not only making 1 round. So 2 rounds means this is the length. For making 1 round, 66 meter is enough. But he is making 2 rounds. So 2 into 66 meter, which is equal to 132 meter. Cost of the rope, rupees 4 per meter. Per meter he need 4 rupees. But he has to do for 132 meter. Just multiply, that's all. So 4 into rupees 4 into 132 is equal to rupees 528. This is the cost he needs to fence his, also 2 rounds of fence, his circular garden. Fifth question. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. See, this is the circular sheet. Big circle is 4 cm radius and the smaller circle is 3 cm radius. If we cut this circle and remove it from the bigger circle, find the area of the remaining sheet. That means we are going to find this area. We are going to find this dotted area. See, area of the remaining sheet means if you calculate the area of both the circle and minus, that means subtract the smaller circle area from the bigger circle area, we will get this path area, right? This remaining sheet area. So we will do this. So the area of the big circle. So formula is, area of the circle formula is always pi r square, right? So now pi is 22 by 7. They have suggested take pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r. Radius for the big circle is 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter the whole square minus area of the smaller circle. 22 by 7 into radius is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter the whole square. In your book, they have suggested us to take pi as 3.14. So we will use 3.14. We can use 22 by 7 also. They are all approximately close to each other. That's all. But they have suggested 3.14 into 16 centimeter the whole square minus, instead of this value, we are taking 3.14 into 9 centimeter square. See here. Pi value is 22 by 7 as a fraction. As a decimal value 3.14. So depending upon the problem, we can take whatever value is needed. These are all approximately. It is not the exact value of pi. These are all approximately equal. That's all. So now this is equal to 50.24 centimeter square minus 28.26 centimeter square. We will get 21.98 centimeter square. This is the area of this remaining sheet after removing the smaller circle from the bigger circle. Sixth question. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost. If 1 meter of the lace costs rupees 15, take pi is equal to 3.14. Think it is a circular table with a diameter d is equal to 1.5 meter. So half of the diameter is radius. We all know. So see here, d is equal to 2r. Now 2r, instead of d we can give 2r, right? 1.5 meter. So r is equal to 1.5 divided by 2 meter. Now circumference of the circular table is equal to, see, Saima is going to lace the edge of the circular table. Only the edge she is going to give the lace. So this is nothing but circumference of the circle. This means length of the boundary of the circle. What is the length of the boundary formula? 2 pi r. That means circumference of the circular table is length of the boundary. This is length of the lace required. 2 into, what is the pi value? 3.14 into 1.5 by 2 meter. So these two gets cancelled each other. That means divide each other, which is equal to 4.71 meter. So this is the length of the lace required to lace on the edge of the circular table cover. Cost of the lace. If 1 meter of the lace costs rupees 15, 4.71 meter of the lace costs, just multiply this with 15. That's all. Rupees 15 into 4.71 meter. 70.65 rupees. This is the cost of the lace. Seventh question. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. See, this is the semicircle including its diameter. Diameter is 10 centimeter. Now we are going to find the perimeter. Perimeter means the length of the boundary. So we need to include this half circle length and this diameter length. That is the perimeter of the adjoining figure. Okay. So for that we need to know what is radius. So radius is, see, d is equal to 2 times r, which is equal to 10 centimeter. So r is equal to 10 by 2 centimeter, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Now, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Full circle is 2 pi r. Now, we are going to consider only half circle. So, half of the circle is semicircle. So, circumference of the semicircle is nothing but half circle. So, half of circumference is 2 pi r. If we cancel, we will left with a pi r. Pi is 3.14 into 5 centimeter, 15.7 centimeter. Now, perimeter of the figure. Perimeter is this half circle length and this length. So, this half circle length is 15.7 centimeter. So, 15.7 centimeter plus this length is already given 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. This equals 25.7 centimeter. That's all. This is the perimeter of the given figure. Eighth question. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter. If the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square, take pi is equal to 3.14. See, Now we are going to polishing the circular table. Okay, so polishing, where you will do polishing? Only in the surface, inside surface, right? Here only we will do polishing. So we need area of the circle to polish the circular tabletop, right? So given diameter is equal to 1.6 meter, we need radius. Diameter is nothing but a 2 times of r. So 2r is equal to 1.6 meter, r equal to 1.6 divided by 2 meter. This is 0.8 meter. Now area of the circular tabletop. What is the formula? It is pi r square. Pi value is 3.14. R is 0.8 meter square. This is, if we multiply these things, we will get 2.0096 meter square. Now cost, rate of polishing. To polish, rupees 15 is needed to polish 1 meter square, per meter square. So now we are going to polish 2.0096 meter square. Just to multiply this rupees 15 with the needed area, polishing area, 2.0096, which equals rupees 30.144 is needed to polish this area of the circle. Ninth question. Shazli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into a shape of circle. Then what is the radius? What is the area? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. See, wire of length means the wire length is 44 centimeter. She bent it as a circle. So wire length must be 44 centimeter only, because the given wire is 44 centimeter. She folded it into the circle. So it is 44 centimeter. What is the length of the circle? It is nothing but circumference of the circle. Now the question is, what is radius? What is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r, which is equal to 44 centimeter. So r equal to 44 by 2 pi centimeter. This is 44 by 2. This is nothing but 22 by 7 centimeter. So 44 by 2, the reciprocal of this is 7 by 22. So if you cancel, this is 4 and this is 2 times. Using 11 we are cancelling. So using 2 we can cancel like this, again 2. So this is 7 centimeter, right? 7 centimeter is the radius. Now area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7. R is 7 centimeter the whole square. So 22 by 7 into 49 centimeter square. If we cancel out the things, this is 154 centimeter square. The question is not yet finished. Now, the same wire is bent into the shape of a square. Just listen carefully. Same wire, 44 centimeter length wire is bent into a shape of a square. Then length of each side and perimeter of square. It's very easy. So perimeter of a square formula is 4s. That means length of the square. 4s is already given, because using 44 centimeter wire only they have made a circle, they have also made this square. So it must be this length of the boundary is 44 centimeter for both the case. From this we can find what is s. 44 divided by 4 centimeter is equal to 11 centimeter. So the length of each side is 11 centimeter each. See, this becomes 11 centimeter all the sides. Okay, now the question ends with like this: which figure encloses more area, square or circle? So for that we need to find the area of the square. What is the formula for area of the square? Is s square. So 11 centimeter the whole square, this is 121 centimeter square. So which is bigger? Area of circle is 154 centimeter square. Area of square is 121 centimeter square. So of course area of the circle is bigger, right? So which figure encloses more area? Circle. Circle encloses more area than square. 10th question. These are all given. Radius of a circular chord sheet is 14 centimeter. This full sheet is 14 centimeter radius. Radius of two small circles is 3.5 centimeter each. Now rectangle, this rectangle length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Question is, after cutting the two small circles and rectangle from the circular chord sheet, what is the area of the remaining sheet? That means we are going to cut these two circles and this one rectangle from the given circular sheet of radius 14 centimeter. So what will be the area of the remaining sheet? Let's do this. Area of two circles. For that, we need to know the area of the bigger circle, area of two small circles, and area of the rectangle. So from the bigger circle area, we need to subtract these two circles and this rectangle. That's all. We will get the remaining sheet area. Now we will do this. Area of the two circle. What is the formula? Pi r square is the formula. See, area of a circle is pi r squared, but we are going to do with two circles. So pi r square into 2. It is for two circles. One circle area is pi r squared. For the two circle, multiply it with 2. That's all. 22 by 7, 3.5 centimeter the whole square into 2 times, because two circles. We are dealing with the two circles. This is 38.5 centimeter square into 2. This gives us 77 centimeter square. Now area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is L into B. L is given 3 centimeter, B is 1 centimeter. So 3 centimeter into B is 1 centimeter, which is equal to 3 centimeter square. So area of the rectangle is 3 centimeter square. Area of the circular sheet. What is the area of the circular sheet? The big circular sheet. Radius is 14 centimeters. So we will do that. Pi into r square. So pi is 22 by 7. R is 14 centimeter the whole square. Right? This is equal to 616 centimeter square. Now we are going to minus the two circles and rectangle area from the area of the circular sheet. That's all. This is equal to area of the circular sheet is 616 centimeter square minus area of the two circles is 77 centimeter square. So 77 centimeter square minus area of the rectangle is 3 centimeter square, which is equal to, this is 536 centimeter square. So this is the area of the remaining sheet. 11th question. A circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 centimeter. What is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? It's very easy, right? Take pi is equal to 3.14. Now, radius of the circle is 2 centimeter. Area of the leftover aluminium sheet. How to find? We need to find the area of both the square and the circle. If we subtract area of circle from the area of square, we will get the remaining piece of an aluminium sheet area. It's very easy. Area of a square. What is the area of a square? S square minus area of a circle is pi r square. Now we will do this. So what is this? S is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter the whole square minus, instead of pi, 3.14 into r is given 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter the whole square. This equals 36 centimeter square minus 12.56 centimeter square. After subtraction, the answer is 23.44 centimeter square. This is the area of the remaining aluminium sheet. 12th question. Circumference of the circle equal to 31.4 centimeter. Question is, find the radius and area. Take pi equal to 3.14. See, it's given circumference is 31.4 centimeter. From this, we can easily find our radius. Circumference formula is 2 pi r equal to 31.4 centimeter. So what is r? This is equal to 31.4 divided by 2 pi centimeter. Right? So 31.4 divided by 2 into, given it is 3.14 centimeter. So if you work out this, see here, this is, if you change the decimal for the numerator. 3.14 into 10 will come because we moved 1 point here. So into 10 divided by 2 into 3.14 centimeter. If we cancel this, this becomes 5 centimeter. So radius is 5 centimeter. Okay. What is the area? Area is pi r square, which is equal to 3.14 into 5 centimeter the whole square, which is 78.5 centimeter square. 13th question. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? Take pi is equal to 3.14. This is the flower bed. Diameter is 66 meter. This flower bed, this circular flower bed is surrounded by the circular path. Its wide is 4 meter. Okay. So the diameter of the flower bed is D is equal to 66 meter. So what is the diameter of the bigger circle? First we need to find that. So diameter is 4 meter. This path means here 4 meter, here 4 meter, right? So 4 meter, 4 meter. So what the diameter of the smaller circle is 66 meter over. Now the diameter of the bigger circle is, see here, 4 plus 4 meter plus 66 meter plus 4 meter, correct? This 4, this 66 and again this 4 meter. So this is 74 meter. Now we are going to find the area of this path alone. Right? We are going to find the area of this path alone. For that formula is there. Area of the path equal to area of big circle minus area of a small circle. So what is the formula? Pi into r plus r, r minus r. For that we need r value. So this is diameter value. So 2r, see here. 2r is equal to, this is diameter only, right? 66. What is r? R is equal to 66 by 2 meter. So small r value is, if we divide this, 33 meter. Small r value is 33 meter. Now, capital D is equal to 2r. What is capital D? 74 meter. So capital D is equal to 74 meter means this 2 capital R equal to 74 meter only. So what is r? R equal to 74 divided by 2 meter. This is 37 meter. Now pi into capital R value is 37 plus small r value is 33 meter. Now this capital R is 37 minus 33 meter, which equals pi into meter, meter square. So 37 plus 33 is 70 into this is 4 meter square, meter into meter. So this is 3.14 into 70 into 4 meter square. This gives us 879.20 meter square. 14th question. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meter square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meter. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? Take pi is equal to 3.14. We will do it. See, this is the circular garden. Okay. The area of this circular garden is 314 meter square. Now this sprinkler is in the center. So it can cover 12 meter radius area. So the question is, will sprinkler water the entire area? If the sprinkle comes from here to everywhere, all around all the sides of the circle, will it cover full area or will it cover only the small area? We are going to find out, right? So let's see that. Circular garden area is 314 meter square. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square is equal to, we will find out the radius. If the radius of this circle is smaller than the radius of this sprinkler can cover, then it can nicely water the entire area. Let's see. Pi r square is equal to 314 meter square. So what is r square. R square is equal to 314 meter square divided by pi. R square is equal to 314 divided by 3.14 meter square. So if we can see here 3.14 into 100. If you want to move 2 points here, see 314 into 100 by 100, which is equal to, if we divide this will become 3.14 into 100. So same thing, instead of 314, multiply it with 100 to get the same like denominator 3.14. We are making the numerator as 3.14. For that we need to multiply and divide it with 100. So 3.14 into 100 divided by 3.14 meter square. So this is equal to, if we cancel this is 100 meter square. So radius square. So taking square root on both sides will give us r equal to 10 meter, right? Root of 100 is equal to 10 only. So r is equal to 10 meter. So radius is 10 meter. Circular garden area is 10 meter. This radius is 10 meter. But this sprinkler can cover radius of 12 meter. That means this much area this sprinkler can cover, right? 12 meter is the fully, from here to here it is 12 meter. So sprinkler can nicely cover this area. Also after that also this it will sprinkle some water. So question is, will sprinkler water the entire area? Yeah, of course the sprinkler water the entire area. 15th question, find the circumference of the inner and outer circle. Take pi equal to 3.14. See, this is the inner circle. This is the outer circle. Inner circle is, see, this is sketchy here. You need to see properly. The outer circle radius is 19 meter, right? Outer circle, this outer circle radius is 19 meter. Inner circle radius equal to full 19 meter minus 10 meter. See, this length minus this length only gives you this value, right? This is 9 meter. Now the question is, what is the circumference of the both? So circumference of inner circle is 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into 3.14 into inner circle radius is 9 meter, which is equal to 56.52 meter. This is the circumference of the inner circle. Circumference of the outer circle is equal to same thing, 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into bigger circle radius is full radius 19 meter. So 19 meter, which is equal to 119.32 meter. 16th question, how many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. See, be careful with the units. The wheel of radius is in centimeter, but it must take the rotations to go 352 meter. See, this is the wheel of radius 28 centimeter, okay? But this length is 352 meter. Let's see how many rotations are required to pass this place. Let's see. Circumference of the wheel is equal to formula 2 pi r. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into 28 centimeter. This is for wheel, circumference of the wheel. So if we cancel, this is 4. This equals 176 centimeter. This length is in meter. Now convert it into centimeter. Then only we can find how many rotations required. So 352 meter. See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 352 meter is equal to 352 into 100 centimeter. This equals 35200 centimeter. So number of rotations required. How to find this? This is the whole length. If you divide this whole length by this length, that means length is nothing but circumference of the circle. By this length, it will slowly move and it will come here, right? So we will see. Full length is 35200 centimeter divided by this length 176 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter will go. 176 2 times. So 200, 200. 200 rotations are required for the wheel to pass this distance 352 meter. That's all. 17th question. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? Just imagine a clock. Minute hand, hour hand. Now we are going to consider this minute hand alone. Pi equal to 3.14. Minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. That means it will make the circle only, right? If it goes around here, it will make a circle. Okay, so this is 15 centimeter long, means this is the center, so it must be the radius. So radius is equal to 15 centimeter, right? This is the clock, this is the minute hand. If it has done one full circle, means it's a circle. So this length is nothing but radius of the circle. So radius is equal to 15 centimeter. Now the question is, how far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? 1 hour means full rotation. So full rotation, how far means just the length of the circle. Length of the circle is nothing but circumference of the circle. So let's find the circumference for this circle. This one. 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 15 centimeter. This equals 94.2 centimeter. That's all. This is this for 92.2 centimeter, the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour.